Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yan, another reading na naman tayo today for the fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga fire signs natin? Let's see, no? Anong meron, anong ganap sa mga fire signs natin, no? Energy checking, self-care advice for this week. And ano yung mga possible na paparating or yung mga dapat ninyong gawin sa isang sitwasyon, kung ano man yan. And message advice from the universe, right? Mga fire signs natin. But then before tayo, mga fire signs natin, let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, no? Fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So let's see. What's your energy? No? Ano bang pinagkakaabalahan ninyo, right? Let's see. So you have this joy and delight. No, so for some of you, no, mga fire signs, no, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no, you are really enjoying your you are just being sabihin natin na napaka-light lang and parang masaya kayo right now, no? For some of you, maybe for some of you, no, may mga alaga rin kayo, no? May mga pets kayo, right? No? May mga cats kayo, no? Particularly, right? No? Or mahilig kayo sa mga cats or dogs, no? Kung ano man yan. And kung makikita mo sa paligid nyo, no? Full of flowers, no? So, kung makikita ko rito, you are celebrating, no? For some of you. Or you will be celebrating soon, no? So, ayun din yung nakikita ko rito, no? Parang, you will harvest your fruits of labor, no? Something like that. Or, the flowers, no? Magbo-bloom na siya, no? So, parang nakikita ko rito, no? You are being happy, no? Joy and delight, no? Something na, masayang-masaya ka na sa ano man itong, you are achieving, no, something, or you will achieve, no, something like that, no. So but then right now, no, you are just happy, no. For some of you, you are happy or masaya kayo sa sitwasyon ng meron kayo ngayon together with your pets, no, something like that, no. So may mga cats kayo, dogs, no, for some of you, no, or may mahilig din kayo sa mga halaman, flowers particularly, no, mga fire signs natin, right? No, so with the fruits there, no, nakikita ko you will this is abundance, no, ang nakikita ko rito, right? No, parang you are just being relaxed, no, parang alam mo na you are just being positive lang, no? Something like that, no? So ayun din yung nasisense ko sa energy ninyo, no, mga fire signs natin, right? No, so ayun yung nakikita ko. So napakaganda ng inyong energy, right? No, and with the red, no, makikita mo very fiery and passionate din, no, for some of you kayo right now, no, mga fire signs natin, right? No, so let's see what's the possible na mga paparating or mga dapat ninyong gawin, no, mga fire signs natin, right? No, so let's see, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, no? Tingnan natin anong possible na paparating or mga sitwasyon na dapat ninyong gawin, no? Kung ano man yan, right? No? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Let's see. So you have this cut down, no? Cut down, cutting out, separation, stop the pattern, silent treatment, and then the chaser, no? Fear of abandonment, no? Chasing, codependencies, and then healthy choices, no? Self-love, self-care, being happier, love, and life. So, for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, right, is Um, yeah, for some of you, may mga kailangan kayong i-cut down or yeah, kasi pang ang nakikita ko dito, no, or there is a separation, no, for some of you, no, and kung makikita mo dito sa chaser, no, may bata, no, so maybe for some of you, you are connected or you are kung ano man ito, right, no, malinaw na relationship to, right, no, there is separation, no, for some of you, or it has to end, no, for some of you, right, no, parang with the chaser dito, wag mo nang habulin, no, kasi nga, parang ang sinasabi dito, no, you are afraid, no, to cut down or cut ties, no, or letting go of this relationship because of the kid, no, or kung may mga anak kayo, no, natatakot kayo, no, maybe number one reason is yung ano, no, sabi natin yung mga sustento, no, something like that, right, no, so maybe for some of you natatakot kayo na to separate to the person, no, 'di ba? Kasi nga with the stop the pattern, no. So sinasabi rito, right, na may paulit-ulit na pattern na nangyayari, no, sa sitwasyon ninyo sa loob ng relationship ninyo. So kayo lang din nakakaalam niyan, no, kung ano man 'yan, right, no? So kailangan dito is kailangan ng um kailangan ng i-cut down or kailangan ng i-stop kung ano man itong pattern na ito na paulit-ulit, right, no? Because hindi na siya healthy, no? So, para magkaroon ka ng healthy choices, no? So, for some of you, you are wasting your time in this relationship, no? For some of you, no? At with this fear of abandonment, no? Ang nakikita ko, no? May codependency na nangyayari because of, yeah. Kaya, hindi ma-let go ang relationship na ito, no? For some, or vice versa yan, na again, na so, yeah, no, there is someone here na afraid to cut down the or let go of the relationship because of child or children, no, na involved, no, for some of you may mga anak kayo ng tao na ito, right, no, so medyo mahirap makipag-separate or mahirap gumawa ng desisyon, but then sinasabi rito, no, once you done this, no, you will have this healthy choices, right, no, and you will be more happier, right, no, sa mga mangyayari, no, kasi magkakaroon ka ng self-love, self-care dito, no. So, for some of you, maybe ay nangyayari na to, no, mga fire signs natin, right, no, you are having this, ano, no, self-love, self-care, no, mga fire signs natin, right, no, so, yeah, ayun lang naman yung sinasabi. So, let's see, no, tingnan pa natin, clarify natin, so, clarify nga natin, so, ano ba yung dapat talagang gawin, no? Hindi, kasi malinaw na rito, no? You have to separate, you have to cut out, no? Or cut this relationship off, no? Let go, no? Because maybe for some of you, this is a toxic relationship, no? Right? No? But then you are, no? Kasi with the codependency, no? Kumbaga parang may namamanipula rito eh, right? No? Kaya nagkakaroon ng codependency. May pagmamanipulate sa relationship, no? For some of you, right? No? So, let's see. Clarify natin, no? What's the outcome, no? Kapag ka talagang you cut the ties, no? Sa relationship na ito, right? No? So, let's see what's the future outcome or what's the outcome, no? Once you cut this relationship off, no? Let's see. So, talagang meron, no, death, no? So, death, the relationship is over, no? No second chance, no? So, talagang you have to, yun nga, no? Talagang yung future talaga is dapat talaga siyang mag-end na, no? For some of you, no? Mga fire signs natin, right? No? Dahil, Yeah, you need to grow and to transform. There will be a growth, no? Hindrance, kumbaga naboblock yung iyong growth, no? For some of you. And with that, no? And once you kung you let go of this relationship, no? You will be transformed, right? No, you will be transformed into a beautiful flower, no? Magbo-bloom ka, no? Something like that. Yung mga, and you will have a healthy choices, no? Opportunities, no? Na makapili ng ano yung magpapasaya sa inyo, right? Because you are in a toxic situation, relationship, no? Kung ano man ito, right? No, mga and talagang kina-clarify dito na kailangan na tong it has to end, no? Something like that, no? So there is clarification or confirmation, no? For some of you, right? No death. So meaning it has to end na talaga and no second chances na sa once na nagkaroon na talaga ng separation sa inyo, no? Kasi nire-resist nyo no? For some of you. But sinasabi rito, you don't have to resist, no? Just go with the flow because alam mo naman na hindi na healthy yung relationship ninyo, no? With the person you are dealing with, no? Mga fire signs natin, right? No? So, what else? Kuha pa tayo ng sitwasyon for you, mga fire signs natin. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? Let's see. Tingnan natin. Ano pang paparating or ano pang mga dapat ninyong gawin. Tingnan natin. So you have this Ace of Swords, King of Cups, and then 3 of Cups in reverse. No, so for some of you, nung nakikita ko rito, right, no, may mga, with the Ace of Swords here, no, ang nakikita ko dito, may mga nalaman ka, no, may mga na-reveal, no, something like that, no, with this Knight of Cups, right? Now, with this Knight of Cups, ang makikita mo rito, kasi to, nakikita ko parang, this is someone na parang, kasi katabi niya 3 of Cups, no, so parang, maybe for some of you, dinala ka sa nagkaroon ng cheating, betrayal for some of you, right? No, with the 3 of Cups, right? Dealing with people, no, or multiple people, no, nagkaroon ng revelation or nalaman mo ito, right? No, for some of you, no, and yeah, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, may nalaman dito, no, na ginagawa ng person na ito, no, so ayun yung nakikita ko dito ng mga fire signs natin. So, meron dito na nag-cheat, no? For some of you, no? So, maybe this is happened from the past na, no? Kumbaga, inuuto-uto ka pa ng tao na ito, right? No? With the flowers here, di ba? Red, no? Something red, no? Maybe talagang yung red, no? Kumbaga, parang, kasi with the red, no? Parang ito yung passionate, no? So, parang, may pang-uuto, may pang-ano no? But then, nalaman mo na kasi yung katotohanan, no? So, parang ngayon, parang nakikita ko rito, no? Whatever this person is, no? Parang, alam mo, no? Na hindi totoo. Something like that, no? Parang nakikita mo na hindi totoo yung sinasabi niya, no? Something like, or nakita mo na hindi totoo yung sinasabi ng tao na ito, right? No? So, let's see, no? Ano pa ba? Ano pang meron sa sitwasyon na yan? Let's see. No, clarify the 3 of Cups, no? Let's see, please. For the fire signs, no? Let's see, ano yan? So, Magician in reverse. No, so for some of you talaga, no, sabi ko nga may nagmamanipula rito, no. But in reverse, no, so sinasabi dito, no, kumbaga parang minamanipula ka na at yung ginagawa niya, worse pa, no, for some of you, no, parang walang puso, no, something like that, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, with the Magician in reverse, no. Parang sobra-sobra na yung ginawa ng tao na ito, no? For some of you, no, mga fire signs. Kumbaga parang sobra-sobra na yung panloloko, sobra-sobra na yung um, mga sabihin natin ng with the magician, nang-aabuso yan eh, right? No? Pang-aabuso. No? So, ayun yung nakita ko rito, no? Lalo na in reverse, no? So, parang grabe yung pinagdaanan or yan yung pinagdadaanan or pinagdaanan ninyo sa tao na ito, right? No? Kaya pala sinasabi rito, you have to cut the relationship, no? You have to let go, no? And there is no turning back, no? Saan sinasabi dito, no? For some of you, no? Mga fire signs natin, right? No? Or vice versa yan, right? No? For some of you, no? Pwedeng magkabali-baliktad ang sitwasyon, right? No? So, let's see what's the self-care advice for you this week, no? Mga fire signs natin. So, kuha tayo ng one card for you. Fire sign, self-care advice for you this week. Let's see. So, you have this, no, build strength. No? So, for some of you, no, parang, maybe for some of you talaga, nakikita ko literally, no, do some exercises, no, for some of you, or maybe talagang nag-exercise na rin kayo, no, napaka, you have this, energetic body, no, for some of you, right? No, so, build strength, no, so, palakasin nyo pa, magpalakas pa kayo, no, together, no, kung ito man, no, sabihin natin may third eye dito, for some of you, open ang inyong third eye, so maybe ang sinasabi rito, build strength, is palakasin nyo yung intuition ninyo, palakasin nyo yung spirituality ninyo, connect with the nature, connect with the universe, with the spirits, no, palakasin nyo kung ano yung meron kayo, no? For some of you, no, mga fire signs natin, right? No? So, meron sa inyo dito na may mga abilities, no? Something like that, right? No? Yeah, no? So, palakasin nyo daw yan, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah. Tingnan naman natin, message advice for you ni universe, no? Mga fire signs natin, right? No? Message advice for you ni universe. Let's see. Anong message advice for you? Tingnan natin. So, talaga, 'di ba? Katulad talaga nung sa ano mo, meron talaga dito, no? Self-love, no? Self-love, self-care, no? So, love yourself first. No? So, talagang sinasabi sa'yo rito, no? Mga fire sign, you have to love yourself first. Right? No? You have to value yourself na, no? Wag mo nang sayangin yung mga oras, panahon mo sa mga maling tao, no? And now is the right time for you to do what's the right thing to do, no? For some of you, right? No? Love yourself first, no? Before loving anyone else, you have to love yourself first, right? No? Hindi yung nagmamahal ka, no? At kasi kapag you love yourself, matutunan yung mahalin ng sarili nyo. Alam nyo yung limitation, alam nyo yung value nyo. At hindi nyo hahayaan na ma-degrade yung value ninyo, right? Because you love yourself, no? The way our source, no? Universe loves you, right? No? So, syempre nakikita niya yung mga struggles ninyo, no? So, kaya nagkakaroon ka ng ganitong mga circumstances, right? Is for you to learn the lesson, right? No? So, maybe this is the right time for you, no? To take that lessons, no? Wag mo nang i-ignore yung kailangan mong matutunan sa sitwasyon na ito, right? Mga fire signs natin, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga fire signs. So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, no? So, yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching Fire Signs.